Happy Monday, everyone, and thanks for checking into WeatherBug. Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Yesterday, by the way, December 1st was the first day of meteorological winter, and that marks the first, or at least the start of the coldest 3 months on average for the Northern Hemisphere. And with that said, winter may be coming in like a lion for folks this week, especially in the west and the Midwest, as we have some significant snows and also some pretty significant cold coming in. So the origins of that cold situated up here across the Arctic regions, the Yukon, even into Alaska, and the doors are going to be opening and shoving that Arctic air down to the south. So these were daytime highs, or I should say lows, for today. And again, lows by this upcoming end of the week, early weekend time frame for folks in the Midwest will be into the teens below zero perhaps. Daytime highs, though, yesterday a little bit above average, and today we'll still see some warming out ahead of this big trough of low pressure taking place. And then by tomorrow, Tuesday, you actually see that colder air starting to make its way into the lower 48. So we'll take you all the way out to the end of the week here. Notice this southwest to northeastern temperature gradient. The coldest of the cold will be situated up here. Again, well below zero for overnight lows, but then this is going to be the corridor of some heavier rainfall potential, at least precip potential, and maybe even in the form of snowfall. So for now, satellite radar showing the wintry mix to the far north. We're talking freezing rain, heavy snow, winter storm watches have been posted through about midweek. And again, it's just going to be kind of an ugly mess. You have one lobe that heads up to the north and then another lobe that tracks down to the southwest. And this is the one that'll be bringing with it some of that rain-snow mix to the central part of the country. So that's one thing we'll have to note by later this week. But over the next 3 days, definitely looking at some heavier snow in the Intermountain West and also for the Midwest. But enjoy that mild weather while you can. 62 in Little Rock, 77 in Houston.